Hey guys, in this video, let us see prove that problems of exercise 8.3. First question, cosecant theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Let us see the side which has more number of terms. LHS has more number of terms. Actually, we can simplify it. We cannot solve cos theta into simpler term than that. So let us take LHS first. This type of sum can come in exam for 3 marks. Cosecant LHS is equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta the whole square. This is our first step. Select the side with larger number of terms. Second step, convert everything to simpler terms. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta and cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta the whole square. Now taking sin theta as common denominator, 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta the whole square divided by sin square theta. You have to see the RHS also to get an idea to go for the answer. We need 1 minus cos theta in the numerator, so no need to expand this. We can see ways in which we can write sin theta as cos theta. By the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 is equal to 1. We know that sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So writing that 1 minus cos theta the whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We also know that a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So the denominator can be taken as 1 square minus cos square theta. So it can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. The squares can be cancelled and we get the 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to the RHS. Hence proved. Thank you. Happy learning.